Hi, I'm back. Now, I want to start this video by saying that no, this is not a bong, okay? It's a coil. I want to say that I'm a man who's very unbiased. I don't take sides. I don't like taking sides because I never know who's right, who's wrong. They have their own opinions. Everybody has their own opinion, so they have to be unbiased about it. Now, why am I saying this? I am saying this because I've come across a issue that has been, running around for a long time now, in which, people say, ki, ah, it's their fault, it's their fault, it's their fault. And I say, what if it isn't though? What if it's not their fault? What if it's someone else's fault? What if it's your fault? You know? Now I say this, mind my haircut by the way. I'll tell you, okay. Um, Today's video is a bit weird one because I'm here to talk about breakups and how they happen, why they happen, and a very major problem with breakups. Now, breakups are breakups. Nothing philosophical about them, nothing special about them. Breakups are breakups. Breakups are I want to take a break. That's it. I want to take a break. Um, this is not working out. This happened, so yeah. But if you really see into it, okay, when a couple breaks up, it's usually like one of the person or both the people will go up to their friends or family relatives and all, and they will be like, उसकी गलती थी, उसकी गलती थी कि उसने ऐसे किया क्यों, उसकी गलती थी कि हम इस सिचुएशन में आए, उसकी वजह से हमारा ब्रेकअप हुआ. But I feel like that's wrong. Okay, there might be some reasons why you're blaming the guy or the gal. Okay, ठीक है ना, reasons है. But then again, you have to realize something. Maybe stick with me, okay? When a couple breaks up, just maybe, instead of saying to others कि उसकी गलती थी, you can go like, what if it's both of our fault? Yes, so today's episode, now it truly begins. So today's episode is about how it's, my theory on both the parties' fault of breaking up. Now I'll tell you why. I've seen a lot of people. I've heard a lot of people talk about their exes in a bad way. कि अरे यार ऐसी थी वैसी थी ऐसा था वैसा था. And I sit in front of them and I'm like, sure, उनने ऐसा किया क्यों? There, no, it's not like कि, suppose let's take an example. A couple breaks up because one of the person cheats on them. Now they're going to be like, उसने cheat किया क्यों, उसने cheat किया क्यों, उसने cheat किया. See, but that's the thing though. That's the thing. Main root, like a root cause of people cheating on others is because the other person's not providing. I'm so sorry, it's a very controversial take. It's a very controversial take in a sense of relationship matters. But somewhere along the line, if a person cheats, okay, let's take a timeline, okay. In this timeline, we have the initial stage of, oh, this is going well, this is going very well, this is going very well. Ah, they cheated on me. Oh, this is not going well, this is not going well. Break up. Flatline. The relationship goes into flatline. But I want to know, why did that happen? Why did the um, cheat even happen? And I'll tell you why. What if the person who cheated felt like their current partner wasn't giving at all? What if they were not giving them what they wanted? I like It's like this, okay. I wanted this from them. They're not providing. Somebody else is providing me that. I shall lean on to them. It's kind of like that, okay. Now, this is where the main topic comes in. Taking this example, the person who got cheated on is not gonna think in that manner. They're gonna think that, oh, उसने किया क्यों, उसने क्यों किया, बट यू बट दे नेवर थिंक कि क्या मैंने कुछ किया क्या, डिड आई डू समथिंग रॉन्ग. In a relationship, you're 50-50. Okay, a person is giving their part, another person is giving their part. बट इस पार्टिंग में ना पीपल डोंट इवन रियलाइज कि अगर फॉल्ट्स हैं तो फिर मेरी भी फॉल्ट्स होंगे. इफ़ आई एम गिविंग 50% ऑफ माई लव टू दिस पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है कि द मिस्टेक्स दैट हैपन मेरी भी गलती हो. I'll admit. I'll admit. So I had an ex, okay, I won't name her. When we broke up, okay, initially I was like, क्या यार, अजीब ही बंदी थी, क्या ही था उस you know, I was very pessimistic about the breakup, of course. But then I started to, but I started to look at it in a different way. I was like, मैंने कुछ गलत किया क्या? Did I do something wrong during the relationship? Then it dawned on me. I, of course, did something wrong which led to the breakup. Not a vape, it's okay. It hit me so hard that I started overthinking. Of course, I had to overthink this, but then I came to this conclusion कि मेरे से कुछ गलती हुई थी, मेरी गलती की वजह से उनने गलती की. Now, now if you see a lot of people nowadays are going to be like, so, oh, 7 minute पहुंच गया, I can curse now. It's a YouTube policy apparently, like you can't curse like for a minute, like I guess 4 minute के बाद you can curse, so it's weird. But people tend to get so bitchy about it. अरे था वैसे, थी वैसे, कहना गान मरा ये वो करे. I'm like, मत बोलो ऐसे. तुम लोगों ने कभी ऐसा देखा है कि तुम्हारी गलती होगी कहीं ना कहीं? तो it's 50-50 always, in every situation. Love 50-50, giving 50-50, planning 50-50, mistakes 50-50. Okay, and you might be saying ki, bro, but what if I was giving everything and she still breaks up with me and stuff? Now you expect me to say ki, oh, that's a different case. No, she did it or he did it because कुछ हुआ था somewhere. Even in a perfect relationship, it's not gonna be like, oh, all rainbows and sunshine. No. It's going to be like, बीच में कुछ गलती हुई, हमने रियलाइज किया नहीं. I'll admit, मैं खुद एडमिट कर रहा हूँ, in my own relationship right now मैंने गलतियाँ की होंगी. I sit and I think about them. मैंने गलतियाँ की हैं. I admit I have done wrong, and I try to make those things correct by doing what I can do. It just occurred to me. It just occurred to me that if you remember, in one of my earlier videos about relationships and love and all, I talked about people having multiple exes, like 20-30 exes. Now I start to realize that 20-30 exes are like weekly, like एक हफ्ते में एक बंदी डेट कर ली, एक हफ्ते में एक बंदा डेट कर लिया, वैसा वैसा. That's not a relationship. That's not even a relationship. That's tomfoolery. It's what it is. And I'm lucky. I'm more than 1 year. I'm actually very lucky. I'm grateful for her. Of her, obviously. Yeah, coming back to the topic. I want people to realize that अगर गलतियाँ होती ना तो हमारी भी गलती होती है. ए आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू नाउ. अगर ब्रेकअप होता है, इफ़ somebody breaks up and stuff, okay, it's not like it's the other person's fault, it's your fault also. Somewhere along the line you messed up, which led to this breakup. It may be harsh, it may be cruel for me to say, but 100% there was somewhere along the line तुम्हारी भी गलती थी. We have to admit. If you don't admit, I'm sorry that you're an uptight asshole who just thinks कि मैं ही सही हूँ, मैं ही सही हूँ, मैं ही. There's a quote, and it's not even a good quote. It's so misleading. One of my quote unquote friends made this quote. I don't even like it. It doesn't even make sense. Tell me if this makes sense or not. A, what was it? If you have big problems, if you have problems that can't be solved, make better ones. नई प्रॉब्लम्स क्यों बनानी है तुम लोगों को? It's so bloody stupid. And that person has the audacity to correct me on this, that it's wrong. मतलब क्या होता है? Create new better problems. क्या मतलब क्या होता है? अब if you're making problems, you're gonna burden yourself. And this, oh my lord, this whole conversation started because उसका relationship या situationship end हो गया. I'll come back to the situation wala thing. I have a big beef about whatever situationship. I'm old, okay. I don't know what situationships are. I'm not from that era. I mean, I am from that era. I just don't feel like I'm from that era. And this person is like, it's okay. Somewhere, okay. Context, okay. When I say that तुम्हारी गलती है, उसकी भी गलती है, आई मीन इट. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि मेरी ही गलती है. ओके, दिस पर्सन, शी इज़ लाइक, नहीं, यू नो, ही वाज सच अ गुड पर्सन, मैंने ही बिगाड़ा. इफ़ यू आर थिंकिंग दैट ना, मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली इट्स बिकॉज यू डोंट वांट टू चेंज. आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड हर, ओके, कि you know, it's not your fault always, you know, हमेशा दोनों की गलती होती है. She is not listening to me. She is being an uptight, saying कि नहीं, you know, तुम समझ नहीं रहे. I'm like, मैं समझ रहा हूँ, तुम मेरे को नहीं समझ रही हो. मैं एकदम ABCD वाली भाषा में बोल रहा हूँ, and you're not even getting it. I swear to God, if I had my phone right now, it's currently charging. If I had my phone right now, I could have narrated everything, but I'm not going to. I'm not going to reveal who it is because I am not like them. There was another incident that happened some time back, where when some guy was, you know, joking with her, saying like, थोड़ा ऐसा मस्ती मजाक चलता है. This guy apologized after that also. She went ahead and berated the guy. Why are you brutally berating this guy if you know that it's a joke? ठीक है, not a good joke. बोल दो ना सीधा कि नहीं, मेरे को जोक अच्छा नहीं लगा, आई डेंट लाइक इट, आई एम नॉट कंफर्टेबल विद इट. ना बिरेट क्यों करना? एंड दिस हैपेंड उसकी इंस्टा की स्टोरी पर. शी स्क्रीन शॉटेड द गाय, डिड नॉट इवन हाइड हिज प्रोफाइल पिक्चर, पीपल फाउंड हिम. दिस गाय, इसकी स्क्रीन शॉट इसकी स्टोरी में लगती है. एंड शी इज़ लाइक, you know what she says to him? She's like, you're a 0 out of 10, you know, bitch ass ugly guy, saying there's no, you know, no bitches, ugly, 0, like every insulting thing you can say. And I feel bad for the guy. Like, mazak kar raha hai, you can see he's kidding, but you are not ready to accept कि मजाक है. I went ahead and asked her कि why did you do that? And she goes, गंदा मजाक था. ठीक है, गंदा मजाक था. You could have, you know, told him कि गंदा मजाक था, I didn't like it. She went ahead berating me now कि तुम नहीं समझोगे ना, तुम्हारे इंटेलेक्चुअल लेवल से बाहर है. लाइक मेरे इंटेलेक्चुअल लेवल के बारे में तो कुछ बोलना भी नहीं. आई हैव मोर इंटेलेक्चुअल लेवल देन यू. येस, आई हैड टू पुल अप माई ईगो फॉर दिस वन. Okay, I'm not gonna say it's true, but then again, if in these type of senses, it is true. If you're gonna berate the guy in a way where he did something bad. I'm gonna come back to the topic. I'm gonna link it. Don't worry. And this, I don't like saying this word to girls. Okay, it's a very bad word to girls. It's very berating. But for this person, I have to say it. But this bitch, na, she screenshotted my my conversations with her, put it up on her story, and because I told her ki what did I tell her? I told her ki sometimes क्या बोलते हैं, it is better to be a bigger person in a conversation, in a argument, in a thing or thing. She says no, it is not. Oh my god, I got so pissed off when she said ki no, you don't have to be the bigger person. That speaks on levels on her. If she is watching this video now, I am telling you, it speaks on levels to you. It speaks levels about you, who you are. It speaks who you are. I'm sorry, but it speaks who you are. And do you know who you are? You're the biggest red flag I've ever seen in girls. And I've dated some red flags, and I've never seen someone bigger red flag than you. Excuse me, I'm talking to you. Yes, I'm talking to you. Christ, still pisses me off. When I told one of my best friends about this whole situation, she was agreeing with me कि Hana, this is not even good and stuff. This bitch, okay, she puts up a poll. Am I wrong or is he wrong? उसके brain dead दोस्त, you're right, he's wrong. You guys tell me in the comment section, is it good or bad to be the bigger person in every argument? Now let me come back to the topic. Because of these type of people ना, हमारे माइंड में वो हट जाता है कि हमारे माइंड से वो हट जाता है कि हमारी भी गलती होती है. इन अ रिलेशनशिप व्हेन यू ब्रेक अप, ऐसे लोगों की वजह से ना वो दिमाग से वो हट जाता है दैट ट्रूथ कि हमारी गलती थी कहीं. बिकॉज दे डू समथिंग सो बैड दैट यू डोंट क्वेश्चन योर सेल्फ, यू क्वेश्चन देम एंड देम ओनली. आई एम एडवाइजिंग यू, even if this happens, you have to question yourselves. Okay, when you question yourself, you develop. When you develop, you get curious, and when you get curious, you get experience, and when you get experience, intellectual level बढ़ जाता है. I'm extremely sorry guys that you had to listen to me rant about this random girl. If no, I know a lot of people are gonna DM me on Instagram saying कि पता ना कौन है. But I'm not gonna tell anyone who this person is, because I'll be the bigger person here. I'm not gonna reveal who you are. No. Do you know why? Because I have a noggin that I can use. At this point it was like a rage bait. Oh my god, man, it sucks to see these type of people living in such place. They make this world a filth, I'll tell you. A lot of people who are close to me who are watching this video have never heard me talk about anyone like this. It's filthy to see these type of people. I get the ick. I just want to, like, oh my god, I'm sorry. Anyways, I'm continuing with the topic. Question yourself, okay? Like, okay, for the people who have recently broken up or gotten recently into a relationship, I'll tell you, if you've broken up ना, don't look at it कि मेरी ही गलती थी या उसकी ही गलती थी. हम दोनों की गलती थी. Okay, हम दोनों की गलती थी. It was both of our fault. If she broke up with me, I did something wrong. If I broke up with her, she did something wrong, which led me to do something wrong, and I broke up. Simple thing. नहीं समझ में. Oh my god, guys, I am so sorry. I am very hyper right now because of my high ADHD. It's so bad to an extent where I have to make these type of videos. ये videos ना common sense होती है. I don't know why I'm making this video. Like I said, these videos are not for fame. It's for awareness. But I don't know why I have to make this particular video. I hate as a small एकदम छोटा सा creator of my own channel. I'll tell you, I hate this particular video of mine, but I'm still making it. I'm still uploading it because I need people to understand. Look, to an extent where people just don't seem to realize कि मेरी भी गलती थी. People just don't want to admit कि मैं भी गलत था या मैं भी गलत थी. They don't want to admit. I want to be right. I want to be right. I wanna be right में कुछ नहीं मिलेगा भाई. When you enter the real world, right, you're never going to be right. There's going to be a lot of instances where you're going to be wrong. It's going to be wrong and wrong and wrong. Do you want this to be your future? People keep telling you that you're wrong, you're wrong, you're wrong, while trying to prove that you're right. You're going to look like a pile of shit. Look, I get pissed off at these type of people because they don't seem to understand. They think that मैं ही सही था. I feel like this whole video is not even me talking on the topic. But I'm sorry, okay, it's like 22 minutes and 30 seconds that I've talked. The video bar इधर कहीं होगा या इधर कहीं होगा. I don't know. I remember last video I was pointing at the very beginning. I'm so sorry. But I'm telling you, it's wrong. I tell you. I personally despise these type of people. I'm not angry at these type of people. I'm more of a I am disappointed I'm disappointed to see these type of people. I'm guaranteed I'll tell you about this whole thing ki, to an extent I won't say I won't say I hate them. I'll say that I don't like them बोलूँगा तो it's a different thing. I feel like the whole situation has been a bit that's my mom, so I feel like the whole situation of people being like these, like I've talked about, okay, it's bad. It's oh my, I don't even know how to I don't know how to speak upon it. I can't say I hate them, it sounds too cruel. I can't say I don't like them because what if they're good people? In a way I can't say I despise them because it means that I have something of a grudge in me. I just don't have. Okay, let's put it this way. If I see them on the road, instead of running them over with my car or with my bike or whatever, I'm just gonna give them the finger. That's all. Yeah, I'm gonna give them the finger. That's all. Sure, I get ki, I'm being too cruel when it comes to this. Okay, I'm being too cruel when it comes to this, but think about it, okay? Where in a place when you're, okay, when you have two people like this, okay, who are very close, who are in a relationship, if they split, if they're blaming each other, it's a cycle. They'll keep blaming each other and other होता रहेगा. घूमते रहेगा. It's not gonna do anything. It's a circle. Circle doesn't have a. It's like an infinite thing. I don't even get it. Like, you know, instead of blaming each other only, you should blame yourself and them. You should be like, they did this because I did something like that. I did this because they something did something like that. I want to. Okay, so the summary of this whole thing is म्यूचुअल रखना है सब. Okay, it's a mutual thing, and trust me, it's bad. It's so bad. uh, so bad, I'll tell you. I remember the first week or the first month of me dating my current girlfriend. We established ki it's going to be 50-50. There's a very good insight I'll give you. It should be 60-40. Without the other person realizing it, it should be 60-40. One of them should be doing 60 and one of them should be doing 40. But here's the psychological part of it. You're doing 60, they're doing also 60. They don't realize that you're already doing 60. They think ki you're giving the 40%, I'll do 60%. You should do the same. They're, in the cusp of doing 40, I'm doing 60. 60. Arey, 120. 120 is bigger than 100, yaar. Do it. And me and my girlfriend, we established ki we're gonna do 50-50. Now, I know you're watching this. Hey, I know you're watching this. Hi. All good? Khana kha liya? Stuff. Yeah, I'm not talking to the other viewers. I'm talking to her. I'll tell you something. I've hidden this a long time, but तुम्हें तो याद है ना that we talked about 50-50. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing 50-50. I've been trying to do 60 for you. I've been extending my reach more because I want you to feel special. I don't want to end up like one of those cruel, bitter people who are going to be like, उसकी गलती थी, उसकी गलती थी. Yeah, I don't want to be that sad, depressed so people who are going to be like, मेरी गलती होगी, मैंने कुछ गलत किया होगा. You know what? I just don't even want to end what's between us. Back to the video. Back to the video. Just saying. Right. It's funny to see breakups. It's very funny to see breakups because breakups आजकल usually होता क्या है, इतने इतने silly reason से breakups होते हैं ना. I can't even tell you. It's fascinating. It's erotic. It's very sensual. Okay, it's very sensual. Like, yeah. But that's a video for another time. Okay, I've already reached the 28-minute mark, which is going to be 29 in 3, 2, 1, boom. There. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I forgot to give this warning in the beginning of the video, but if this video triggers you, disturbs you in a way, then you can leave a comment or DM me telling me these type of stuff, and I'll improve on my content. I really want to improve my content for you guys. And if you find these videos actually helpful to yourself, and you might think ki this friend of mine can also benefit from it, share my channel, guys. Share my channel. We are now at 11 subscribers, if I'm not wrong, but hey, 11 is also a lot. Pretty cool. I like it. Share this channel, please. I really appreciate that you guys would share this channel to other people. I would really Okay, I really would appreciate it. Thank you for the support. I'll be uploading more videos. I have some pre-recorded videos of mine that I might upload, but I'll review the footage, of course. I've not reviewed the footage. I'll, I'll, I'll send. Yeah, I mean, oh God, I look weird without my glasses, huh? Yeah, I'll see. Okay, I think a lot of people want to know that I why I haven't been uploading. I've been very busy with. I've been busy with some other stuff. I'll be very honest. So, but I'm free for some time. I'll be uploading twice a week now. I'll try. I'll try. I'll try for you guys. Why not? I love you guys. Seriously, I really appreciate you guys taking here. Thank you. See you. Bye. I think we need to establish something. When I say bye, see you, I mean it. इधर बैठे रहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Alright? इतने वेले हो गए तुम लोग genuine. Wow. I feel like I got up and I just went away for like a minute and you guys are still bro, bruh. I, bye.